We got two stands we got to put together right now for working on body work. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're going to be working on putting together a couple car stands. Now by car stands I mean work stands, kind of like sawhorses, but meant for body work, so I can actually lay the body panels from the 52 Chevy project that we're working on. If you haven't checked out that project yet, check it out right here. So in this video we're going to be putting these two stands together and getting them situated for working on the truck right now. So let's do it. So right here I actually have two stands. These are two completely separate stands that we're going to be putting together right now. This section right here comes with two of those and a bag of 4 legs. So that's got to get put together. And we've got another stand right here. So we're going to put those together right now. So of course these didn't come with instructions, so we're just going to kind of wing it. These two sections here actually have this foam padding to kind of help prevent from scratching the car panels when you lay them up here. Portable work stands, I guess that we'll call them. Really cheap. I think I got them off of Eastwood. Some of these little plastic bags here. We'll debag them. These have just been sitting around in the corner of the garage for a while, taking up space, so now's the time I need to put them together because we actually have to start using these things. We know these are going to go like that, and they're going to hinge in the center right here. So I'm going to crack open this bag, being it hasn't been opened yet. Of course, one bag's been opened, one bag hasn't for all the hardware in these things. I'm going to try to sort this out, see if I'm missing anything. So, looks like we're pretty close, possibly missing a lock nut. Just go like this. Like that. I need to get a socket for this right here. All right, so I've got a 13mm socket on my impact gun here. We're gonna use that to screw these together. I'm gonna hold this side with the screwdriver like this, and use this side screw it together. Now these pretty much just hook together in the center here. Something like this. Maybe stands like. So I need to put bolts through here. A washer on here, and that'll go through here. I'm guessing one of these thicker washers goes between them, like this, and this goes through here. Whoop. Like that. And then we put another washer and a nut. Like that. Do the same thing on this side. This goes through here, like this, and the big washer goes through there between the two. This goes through here like this. Put on a washer, and then the nut. And then these things will hook onto here to keep them from spreading. So I need to open these up a little bit so we can actually get in here. But I need to tighten these up too, so. Right now it'll sit like this. Grab another wrench. Let's tighten these up. Beautiful. Now I just need to open up these little eyelets right here. Once we adjust these eyelets, we can take the chain, droop it into there, and we can adjust the width of these depending on how long the chains are. So we're going to open these up right now, and this stand will be complete. All right, because these need to be open to put the chains in, I'm gonna use the cutoff wheel right here. I'm gonna nick the corner of these little eyelets off just so I can get the chain down inside there easily without fussing with bending them. There we go. So now I can just take this, group this right over there, and that keeps these from opening up farther than we want them to. So by doing this, we can adjust the spread. So that could accommodate a hood, If that's too big, we bump these up closer together. Say I put on the 4th link, like that. Then you got it closer together if you want to put it closer together. Put fenders on here, put anything you want on here. These things are good. So this stand right now is 100% completely finished. Now we're going to put together the other stand. So by adjusting the length of the chains, it determines how wide these will spread apart. So right now they're at maximum width right here. If I want to make them narrower, all I have to do is lift them up like this, bring in a couple shackles, let's say 3 chains, because 3 chains is better than 2 chains, right? Okay! And you plop them back down again. Now we're locked into place with a shorter right here. Alright everyone, as you can see, the stands have been 100% completed in this video. They function just as they should. They fold up nice and easily. We can get them out of the way. We can hang them on the wall if we want to. We can adjust the width by adjusting the chains. So as always, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Smash that subscribe button, smash that notification icon down below so you know when I do post future videos. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.